Good morning, Miss Ashlynn. Get out your math book, baby, and open it to page 115 and 116. This is a review paper today of reducing our fractions. So you're going to be really good at this before this is all said and done. So I'm going to go over two of them with you, and I'm going to do your two story problems with you today, and then you will follow your directions on your assignment post to complete your math assignment. All right? Here we go. 115, page 115, section 2, letter A. We have the fraction 4/12. I'm going to ask myself, can 4 be multiplied by anything to equal 12? It sure can, so that makes it a factor of 12. So I'm going to divide 4 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 4/12 reduces to 1/3. Letter B, 8/14, or 8/14. First thing I'm going to do is ask myself, is 8 a factor of 14? Can I multiply 8 by anything to equal 14? 8 times 2 is 16, so no, that's not going to work. So I'm going to have to think of the greatest common factor for 8 and 14. So my factors for 8 are 1 times 8, 2 times 4. My factors for 14 are 1 times 14, 2 times 7. So my greatest common factor is going to be what? That's right, girl. It's going to be 2. So we're going to divide 8 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 8/14 reduces to 4/7. Okay? On our story problem, section 4A, it says the missionary pilot flew his plane at the average speed of 187 miles per hour for 11 hours. How far did he travel in that time period? So we're simply going to multiply 187 times 11 to get that answer. So 7 times 1 is 7, 8 times 1 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1. Put a 0 in our ones place. 7 times 1 is 7, 8 times 1 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1. We add it up, 7, 15, 8, 9, 10, put 0 down, carry the 1. So our answer is 2,057 miles is how far he traveled in that amount of time. Letter B, Beth spent 4 weeks and 3 days on a mission trip to Australia. How many days did she serve in Australia in all? So it says that she spent 4 weeks and 3 days, and they want to know how many days did she spend in Australia. So 4 weeks plus 3 days equals blank days. So we're going to have to convert our weeks to days. So if we're going from a week to a day, we're going from larger to smaller, so we will multiply. Our special number is 7 because there are 7 days in a week, and we will multiply our special number times our given number, and 7 times 4 is 28. So 28 days plus 3 days equals 31 days. So that is our answer. I believe you're going to do just fine on the rest of your math sheet. Go ahead and complete that with your thinker on and do your best.